Your TV is good, but what if it could be smarter? Meet the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, compact in design, yet powerful in performance. It brings you fast HD streaming, thousands of apps, and Alexa voice control, all with a simple plug-and-play setup. It's everything you need for seamless entertainment, packed into one small device.
Alexa, what movie has the line, "You're killing me, Smalls"?
What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, Alexa voice remote, 2 AAA batteries, power adapter, HDMI extender, and a power cable. Want to grab the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. Experience stunning visuals with cinematic 4K Ultra HD streaming at up to 60 frames per second. The device supports advanced high dynamic range formats like Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HDR10+. This provides exceptional brightness, detail, and lifelike colors on compatible TVs. The Fire TV Stick 4K supports immersive sound with Dolby Atmos and 7.1 surround sound. It also has HDMI audio pass-through, so you can connect to your compatible home audio system for an enhanced listening experience. The combination of a powerful 1.7 GHz quad-core processor and Wi-Fi 6 support ensures quick app launches and reliable high-speed performance, even when multiple devices are on the network. Access a vast library of streaming services, including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Max, YouTube, and more. It also provides a large selection of free, ad-supported content. Control your TV and smart home devices with the included Alexa voice remote, and access a growing library of cloud-streamed video games from services like Amazon Luna and Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Specifications. Setup. Plug the Fire TV Stick into your TV's HDMI port and connect the USB cable to the power adapter. Always use the wall socket instead of the TV's USB port for stable power. Then, switch your TV input to the correct HDMI channel to see the Fire TV logo appear. Insert the included batteries into your Fire TV remote. It should pair automatically. If not, press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds. Once paired, follow the on-screen prompts to connect the Fire Stick to your home Wi-Fi network. Log in with your Amazon account or create one if you don't already have it. You'll then be able to set up parental controls, install your favorite apps like Netflix or YouTube, and enable Alexa voice commands for easier navigation. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. See you in the next one.